Okay, today we're going to be testing the brand new vacuum cleaners, the Hoover Windtunnel Bagged and the Bissell Powerforce Helix. So first off, we're going to go ahead and start with the Hoover Windtunnel Bagged. Here we go. Okay, so it looks like the Hoover Windtunnel Bagged actually vacuumed up pretty well. And you can also notice that the headlight is really bright on the Hoover Windtunnel Bagged, but now we're going to go ahead and see how the Bissell Powerforce Helix does. Here we go. So the Hoover Windtunnel Bagged and the Bissell Powerforce Helix picked up all the junk on the rug very well. They are tested. They work awesome. I am very happy with how they both work. You probably noticed the Hoover Windtunnel Bagged has a really bright headlight, so you probably could hardly see the whole vacuum while it was turned on. But it actually picked up really well, and I'm really happy with it. The Bissell Powerforce Helix also applies with the Hoover Windtunnel Bagged. It picked up all the dirt on the rug and I was vacuuming like all over the place with both vacuums. They both have the best suction ever. I am very happy with how they both work, and I couldn't ask for a better vacuum. So if I were to have to pick the Bissell Powerforce Helix to be the only vacuum in the house, it would work awesome. And if I were to pick the Hoover Windtunnel bagged, it would also be the perfect vacuum for the house if it's the only vacuum, you know? So my vocabulary might be messed up. I'm really sorry, but I talk the best as I can. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed me testing the new vacuums, the Hoover Windtunnel bagged and the Bissell Powerforce Helix. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.